Hey guys, Mr. Breen here, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to form the imperfect tense passive voice verbs in Latin. Alright, let's start the way we always ought to start, by looking at the principal parts, and I chose this verb, skio, skira, skiwi, skitom, which means to know. I don't think you guys have had this verb yet, but it gives us words like science. So, for this tense, for the imperfect, we're going to be using the stem given to us by the first two principal parts, which, yes, is called the present stem. And I know we're forming the imperfect, but that's the stem that you want. And so we're going to knock off the IRE from the second principal part there. And we're going to get, let me get rid of that, that's ugly S. We're going to get SC for our stem. Then, depending on the conjugation, we're going to choose what letter will come next. So for first conjugation, we're going to have an A. For second, we'll have an E, and third, E as well. For third IO, we're going to have IE, and for fourth, we'll have IE. And since we know that skio, skira with a long I is a fourth, we're going to choose IE. That's the one we're going to use here, IE. After that, and I shouldn't have to say too much about this, we're going to get our normal imperfect marker, BA. That's our imperfect sheep, right? A perfect sheep would say ba with two A's, but this is an imperfect sheep. It lost one of its A's, so it's just a BA. But that's what we put next for our imperfect marker. Then we're going to finish off with our personal endings, which for the passive are r, ris, tur, mur, mini, ntur, not, emer, o, st, mustis, enti. That's for active. We're going to do passive, so this is the one we want. So let's put all this together. We have our stem, SC, and then because it's fourth conjugation, we have the letters IE, followed by BA, and our personal ending. So let's see if that's what we get. Skie bar, skie baris, skie batur, skie bamor, skie bamini, skie bantur. Looks good. So that's a fourth conjugation. Let's see what some of the other conjugations look like in the imperfect passive. Imperfect passive is really easy. The parts just go together exactly the way they should. For first conjugation up here, we have an A that comes after the stem, and then BA, and then R ristur, mur, mini, entur. For second conjugation here, we have E, just like we should, ba, and then R ristur, mur, mini, entur. Debe bar, debe baris, debe batur, debe bamur, debe bamini, debe bantur. For third, dico dicera, short E there. I know I didn't write any long or short marks, but this is a short E. We add an E after the stem, which is dik, and then we have bar, baris, batur, bamor, bamini, bantur, just like we ought to. And for cupio, cupera, which is a third IO, we know that because we have a short E, and then we have an I there in the first principal part, we add the letters IE after, not E, sorry, but IE after the stem, so cupie bar, cupie baris, cupie batur, cupie bamur, cupie bamini, cupie bantur.